So I built this 12 volt power supply extension about a month ago, and it's come in super handy. I've used it probably half a dozen times on camping trips. But I'm thinking to myself now, how can I take it to the next level? Shit. Are you kidding? I am feeling really optimistic. The circuit board will fit up inside this cavity here in the cap. These don't necessarily need to be in this plate, so I can just pop these out of this plate and mount them on this side here next to my USB and USB-C. And then the cooling fan, I'm thinking I can put on the back side of the box over here. As it stands, I think all of this is going to fit inside here perfectly.